In a world full of situationships, the only relationship one can put their faith in is in a fan's relationship with their idol. This show is all about fandom and feel. Welcome to the only show जहां vibe से होगा tribe. 8 fans, 1 celebrity, but सिर्फ एक को मिलेगा एक fan date. It's time for Myntra Presents Vibe Match. Keep playing and keep slaying on Gladstream. From Bigg Boss OTT to Khatron Ki Khiladi, Sana has been through more stunts, emotional and physical. She has survived snakes, screams and drama while staying absolutely glam and came out with her lashes intact. She doesn't do basic. She does bold, blunt, and Sana Maqbool is not here to play, unless it's with your situationship. All right, Sana Maqbool, welcome. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for having me.
Looking fab. Both of us killing in gold today.
Yes.
Sana and I are styled in looks hotter than Dubai weather and bling. Whether you're dodging red flags or dodging just texts, shop our drama-free drips only on Myntra. Welcome to Myntra Presents Vibe Match, Sana.
Let's begin.
Yes. Now, I want to ask you, what is your vibe usually?
My vibe is comfort. My vibe is transparency. My vibe is genuineness.
Fantastic. Thank you, Mother Sana. In segment 1, before we meet your fans, we have 8 of them.
Oh, wow.
I'll come to you.
Okay.
And they will give me a digital device. Okay. In that, I will show you AI-generated photos of them of how they will look like when they're 60. But more relevant is when we're seeing the image, they also have something to tell you. And at the end of this, we have to eliminate one. The name of the segment is 60 and Sassy.
Oh, wow.
All right, now that I have the screen, let's begin the segment. I'll come to you, Sana.
Okay.
So this is fan number 1.
Damn. He's old, but he's nice.
Should we hear the audio?
Of course.
Hi Sana, this is Yaji. The world might know you as the winner of Bigg Boss OTT Season 3, but I knew you as Miss Samhita from Dikkulu Chodaku Ramaya. For general public, it's just Sundays with Sana. But for me, it's Mondays with Sana, Tuesdays with Sana, and every day with Sana.
But I like the way he started.
Yeah.
It's not Sundays with Sana, it's Mondays with Sana, it's Tuesday with Sana.
Correct.
I love it.
And fan number 2.
Oh my God, Sardar ji.
बेवजह हुआ इश्क तुमसे तो बेपरवाह हुए ज़माने से बेजान था कब से शहर मेरा ये रौनकें हैं तेरे आ जाने से हाय सना मेरा नाम मोहजीत है
How sweet.
Okay, we'll go to 3.
Hello Sana, my name is Amol. Thank you for putting out some beautiful stories that really inspired me. And one last thing, Sana, you matter to me. Thank you.
Oh, how sweet.
But he is motivated and
Of course, he is more.
you mattered.
I matter. I see that. Thank you.
Fan number 4. Okay.
Hi Sana, Abhinendra this side. You are very strong because you are battling with autoimmune disorder disease and meanwhile you are also working, shooting, so it inspires me and many people.
How sweet. He's inspired.
It's short and sweet.
Short and sweet.
Yeah.
Well,
Make us listen. उनके मधुर आवाज.
हाय सना गौतम हियर चांद भी शर्मा जाए जब तेरा दीदार हो ये इश्क का नशा है जो कभी ना उतरे
मेरा इश्क का नशा उतर जाता है भाई.
हाँ, मेरा भी.
Number 6. Okay.
हेलो सना, राज है। सना बहुत ही प्यारा नाम है। अरबी में आपके नाम का मतलब है चमक, हिंदी में आपके नाम का मतलब है कला, संस्कृत में आपके नाम का मतलब है अच्छाई और इस्लाम में आपके नाम का मतलब है प्रतिभा, टैलेंट। और ये चारों ही शब्द आपके पर्सनालिटी को जस्टिफाई करते हैं।
Number
Oh
7.
my God, he's handsome.
Hi Diva Sana, I'm Diva Vraj.
अरे टेंशन मत लो, ये मेरा आवाज़ नहीं है, बस कोई बात नहीं। अपने बातों से एंटरटेनमेंट की कमी कभी होने नहीं दूंगा तुम्हें, और अगर किसी ने ऑन स्क्रीन भी रुलाया ना तो उसे चैन से जीने नहीं दूंगा।
मेरे बहुत लोग हैं जो मुझे चैन से सोने नहीं दे रहे. Please come and kick them.
Fantastic. Last.
Hello, Miss Gorgeous. My name is Gar. From most of the people, you're Sana. But when I see you, I remember Lavanya, who I used to watch on TV. I admire you and your journey, and also loved your energy on Bigg Boss. और Bigg Boss भी चाहते हैं कि आप अपने इस फैन से जरूर मिले. See you.
Oh, how sweet.
That's fantastic. Now, the thing is, we have to eliminate one before they come on.
So, मैं बहुत प्रैक्टिकल लड़की हूँ, क्लियर लड़की.
That's what we like on the show.
मुझे ना ये शायरियाँ वायरियाँ ना, I don't believe in words. So for me, no go.
Fan number 2 has been eliminated.
I'm so sorry.
Please welcome contestant number 2. How are you? I love the red turban.
Thank you. Hi, ma'am.
Sat Sri Akal. So sorry.
Never mind.
But this is a part of the game.
Thank you, Mojib.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Philip.
Mohit. Lovely meeting.
We're now moving on to segment 2. Can we bring our boys, please? This is segment 2, and we have our Fab 7.
Congratulations, boy.
Wow. This segment is called Vibe in 30. Okay, before I explain that segment, Sana, these boys have to prove that they are the green forest.
Oh, wow.
Fashion fights only, no eliminations here. Style in the trendiest chaos couture by Myntra. All right, we're beginning the game, okay? In this segment, each of them will have 30 seconds
Okay.
to impress you. They can do whatever.
Oh, wow.
Okay? Who wants to go first? From there.
Me.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Gautam.
In 3, 2, 1, go. Boys, ka.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. Nice. Very nice.
अगर मैं कुछ गलती करता हूँ तो कहना गलत आपको इम्प्रेस करने का ट्राई तो हर कोई करता है, लेकिन साधनी मैं सच कहूँ तू साथ है तो ही जीने का काबिल है ये जहां।
Oh, wow. Nice. Thank you.
यहाँ लाखों लोग हैं आते अपनी किस्मत को आजमाते, यहाँ लाखों लोग हैं आते अपनी किस्मत को आजमाते, जब काम नहीं है मिलता तो घर को चले जाते, यहाँ बनना सबको स्टार, लेना BMW कार, मची है हाहाकार, समझना मेरे यार।
शीर्षक है तू काम कर, इसलिए नहीं कि तुझे भी कहीं पहुंचना है, बल्कि इसलिए कि खुद को जिंदा रख सके। ये बात मान ले कि तेरी लड़ाई किसी और से नहीं है, खुद से ही है। खुद से खुद को बेहतर बनाता चल, तू काम कर।
13, 14, 15, 16।
सना का मतलब मेरे हिसाब से तारीफ, तो तारीफ है तो तारीफ थोड़ा करूंगा कि चांद तुम्हें कैसा लगता है? मुझे तुम्हारे जैसा लगता है। ये आसमान, सितारे, झील, सागर सब तुम्हारे सामने फीका लगता है।
Hi, I'm Raj. I professionally work as a happiness manager. सना मकबूल, तुम मुझे भूल जाओ, ये मैं होने नहीं दूंगा, और मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊँ, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता।
28, 29, 30।
Nice.
We have seen them all.
Yeah.
In fact, it's all on you now.
I have to eliminate 2 people. I'm really sorry, but my one contestant would be, I know you get cute dimples, but Amol, you. My other name would be.
Oh my God, my push-up. We are so sorry.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
for
guys.
taking part.
Thank you.
All right, this is our top 5. Our next segment, boys and Sana, is called Unlock the Vibe.
Okay.
They are going to give us their phones. Unlocked, and we can go through whatever. Who wants to go first, though?
Let's see Mr. Happiness's phone.
Okay, Samra,
Hi,
ask that
Mr.
in the
Happiness.
front only.
Oh, wow.
That photo's clicked by me.
Instagram. Who's Nitya Sharma?
Nitya Sharma?
Huh?
Models.
Model?
Yes, I used to manage him.
Let me see if he follows me.
Magar, what is this thing? Sana Maqbool, also known as Diva Sana.
That's what I said. Diva Sana, I'm Diva Vraj.
Mr. Happiness, I'm
Eliminated.
very upset. Is it your mom?
No, she's my girlfriend.
That's very good. छुपाया नहीं आपने. All photos.
Lots of Priya I'm seeing. Does Priya like Sana?
Yeah, she appreciate you.
Oh wow.
Oh, is that you?
Yeah, that's me. ये आपने आज लगाया ना? Such. Oh, that's my favorite song.
Wow.
That's my favorite song. What is on your phone? Like seriously? What is on his phone?
Oh my
Like,
God.
are you
What is
mad?
that? Stunning, stunning.
Like seriously?
Oh,
Can we post it on your
you can
Snap?
send everyone.
Where do you want to go first?
कितना complicated.
I am a little organized like that. Like
ये organized बोलोगे ये मेरे लिए complicated है.
A photo of himself eliminated.
No, that's okay.
That's okay.
You can be obsessed. नहीं, ये दिखते थोड़ा fit है, so देखते आप क्या खाते हैं.
Do you like any of them?
I like, yeah.
Which
This. बस इतना ही.
Kanda and Batate. This was Unlock the Vibe. Now, based on what we saw, Sana, you have to eliminate one person.
So I think Mr. Happiness, it's...
Cancel.
For the happiness.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Happiness.
Right.
Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you.
All right, Sana, this is your top 4 fans. In the next segment, we're going to eliminate one more person. That segment is called Unfiltered Feels. In this segment, you get to spend 5 minutes with her. Okay, speak about whatever, respectfully, and we will figure after that. Are you ready? All right, Unfiltered Feels, everybody.
Hi, Abhinendra.
हाय
Hi.
वेल आप पहले हो जो मेरा नाम इतनी इजीली से ले ले रहे
मुझे आपका नाम बहुत अच्छा लगा। तो बताइए आपने हमारे लिए क्या हैंग आउट प्लान किया?
एक लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे जाना चाहता हूँ फिलहाल साथ में हम लोग जाएंगे ये हमारा स्ट्रीट फूड खाएंगे
What is the most exciting hangout you had?
All my hangouts have been exciting. Trust me, because I am a very exciting person.
मैं आपको अपने गांव लेके जाना चाहता हूँ।
Oh, sweet. But can I tell you something? I am born brought up Bombay girl. तो मैं ना वो गांव को बहुत क्रेव करती हूँ। अगर आप मुझे ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग के हैंगआउट पर लेके जाते हैं, तो ऐसी कौन-कौन सी चीजें होगी जो हमारे बास्केट पर?
पॉपकॉर्न्स। तो मैं तो आपको हैदराबाद ले जाता।
जब
You
आप
think this is exciting?
जब आप वहाँ पहुँचोगे ना तो जो चीज़ आपने नहीं देखी शहर में वो आप वहाँ देख पाओ। बैलगाड़ी पे बैठ के जब हम बात करके चलेंगे सनसेट में तो वो मज़ा ही अलग है।
All right, welcome back. Your hangouts are over. How was it, Sana?
It was nice. It was short, sweet, simple.
Who are we eliminating?
I would say that would be, I'm sorry, Abhinendra, you.
Thank you so much, Abhinendra.
थैंक यू
This is our top 3. All right, we're moving on to our last segment. It's called Fit for the Feels. In this segment, you guys will pick one outfit each for Sana, and then you leave the set. Then she'll come and pick her favorite outfit out of the 3. Whoever picked your favorite outfit would be the winner. Obviously, all these wonderful outfits will come from Myntra.
Pick the best, boys. I love to dress up. FYI.
There we go. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Cute pink top there, and I thought it would go really well with the white shirt. And the obvious choice were the pink heels.
ब्लैक यूनिवर्सल कलर है जो उन पे अच्छा लगेगा। ब्लैक सब पे खिलता है तो इसलिए मुझे लगा ब्लैक में वो काफ़ी सुंदर लगेंगी।
Oh, this is very pretty.
I chose a green dress क्योंकि मुझे लगता है ग्रीन ड्रेस में उनकी ब्यूटी और ज़्यादा निखर कर आएगी एंड शी विल लुक फैबुलस इन इट।
All right, Sana Maqbool, aka Diva Sana.
Yeah.
Are you ready to pick your favorite out of the 3 that the boys have picked for you? We'll go take a closer look. These are all beautiful, all from Myntra.
Wow, I love it.
I know.
I love this, I love this, I love this, I love everything. I think,
Don't tell me,
okay.
because that's the winning surprise, right?
Okay.
Because whichever outfit you pick, the picker of that outfit would be the winner.
Okay, I think I've made up my mind.
Perfect. Then, why don't you go change?
Yes.
And I will see you. When I see you, I will know who the winner is. Our boys also will be there, so they'll also know who the winner is. All right, we are back, and this is the finale. This is the climax moment.
Yeah.
Now, when Sana comes, whichever outfit she's wearing, whoever picked that will be the winner.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Should we call her?
Yes.
Sana, in 3, in 2, in 1. Yajin, let's go! Well done. Congratulations. Go there and get one. Congratulations from her also.
Thank you so much. Great.
Thank you so much, boys. You guys, boys played really well.
You look lovely.
Well done.
Thank you.
That's all for today on Myntra Presents Vibe Match. Whether you're manifesting a reality show romance or just flirting on the gram, Sana's looks equal winning the final stunt. The one who will serve looks, side-eye and soft glam all at once. Get her fire fits now on Myntra. Keep playing and keep slaying only on Glam Stream.